UK orders shutdown of illegal Bitcoin cash points. Financial Watchdog has written to providers of Britain's 81 cryptocurrency ATMs. Ooh.
Have you? I mean, you haven't tried to use one, right?
No, but it's actually, now that you've said that, I almost want to, just as a fact-finding mission, because they're out there and people must be using them. Someone needs to figure this out.
Yeah, I don't know who their target audience is for something like this. Who's like buying Bitcoin or taking out Bitcoin
I think
on
it's
the street?
older people that just sort of in the peripheral got the Bitcoin news.
What's this Bitcoin I keep hearing about?
Right, and ATMs
I'm going to put $5.
Is that your old man right there?
Sounds exactly like me.
It's just you, but a bit older?
Yeah.
Like a week older?
Yeah. Future Will.
What is this
Older.
Bitcoin about over here? I've seen them. Like even here in
here,
town.
really?
Yeah, man. What?
I haven't seen them.
I'll take you right now.
All right. Well, after the show.
I'll take you right now. See you later, everybody. I'm going to the Bitcoin ATM real quick. My understanding is it's just they're kind of, they're not a scam completely, but they are not
Efficient.
You're paying a lot for the convenience of using the ATM over some other method.
Yeah, I figured that.
I wonder if that's what this is about. The machines allow users to exchange cash for Bitcoin, but have scant security checks. Oh, that's what the issue is, especially for smaller amounts, and none of their providers are licensed. This has led to concerns they could be used for money laundering, prompting the FCA to act. Dirty money in, clean money out. We have warned operators of crypto ATMs in the UK to shut their machines down or face enforcement action. Crypto ATMs offering crypto asset exchange services in the UK must be registered with us and comply with UK money laundering regulations. There's a lot more regulation as far as crypto. You had Biden talking recently about it. And the UK is using the word. We are concerned about crypto ATM machines operating in the UK and will therefore be contacting the operators, instructing that the machines be shut down or face further action. They're going to want more identity checks, I guess. They're going to want it to operate more like a bank machine. And that sort of kills the vibe for the crypto thing. And then I guess it will drive more people to look for alternative means outside of the physical ATM locations. But I still think it's interesting that we want it to fit the old format, or that some people, there's some degree of comfort in that.
Right.
And getting quick cash.
It would be curious to experiment with one of them and see how they work.
Yeah.